So now I've got two sock monkey arms and a tail here. Looks like a bunch of bananas appropriately. They're all stuffed. Now, one thing you can do to make them soft and supple is to just kind of roll them between your hands like this a little bit once the stuffing's in them. Just so the stuffing's not really that lumpy and they're kind of sort of uniform. So I'm going to kind of do that and kind of feel until they sort of feel pretty uniform, don't really feel any lumps in them. Here are the arms, here are the tails, here's the tail. So again, just kind of make a little creative decision. Where do I want the arms? So I want them up high, which kind of makes them kind of look like this kind of monkey, or do I want them like way down low, which makes him look kind of more like a, ape-like, more like orangutan-like with his arms real low. So I don't know, I'll probably put him somewhere in the middle. The tail goes not below the butt. You should look at a real monkey if you don't know why that is. The tail actually goes above the butt right there. So I'm going to use a whipping stitch to attach the tail and the arms the same way I did the ears. And at that point we'll be really close and we'll be ready to stuff the monkey and sew him up.